Okay, we've got the Schrader valve out, so we're going to take a quick visual inspection of it. It looks to be in pretty good shape. The owner did not have caps on top of these Schrader valves, and that's a big no-no. You got to have caps on here. If you don't, you get all this moisture down inside here, and it's going to wreck these valves. If I were to open this up, which I'm going to do just for a second, hear that? We got refrigerant ready to come out of there. So that's the cool part of this tool, is that we were able to take this out while it's pressurized. Remember, we want to wear the gloves because cold refrigerant will give you immediate frostbite. We don't want to do that, so we're gonna set her down back in there. Got to run this top sleeve down, let's not forget that. It's got a seal in there so we don't lose the refrigerant. So what we're going to do from here is we are going to open up the valve. We're going to run that Schrader valve down in there. So this took several turns to get out, but we're going to run it back in. That's what we're doing right here. So you can see I'm just spinning the top. Just spinning the top. Run it all the way down. Give this collar a spin out. That collar's kind of useless in my opinion. So once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the, you heard the little hiss there. That's a really good sign that the Schrader valve is seated, because this valve's open. And if it wasn't, we'd be leaking refrigerant, but we'll go ahead and pull this off. Take a peek down inside there. You'll be able to see it fully seated inside the line. That's how you replace a Schrader valve while the AC system is pressurized.